Yo, what is up, guys? This is me, Paintballer95, unboxing the Etek 3 LT. I'm doing this with my phone, so I might be kind of crappy. I can just slide it out this way. I already did open the box one time just because I didn't have a camera, so I just put everything back in the box to show you what it looks like. Alright, got a nice, cool case. I got the LT edition, so got a nice plastic thing around it, so the box doesn't get all cut up. But yeah, so you open it up, you'll have your O-rings falling around, but they're supposed to be up here in the little compartment. So you have your gun. I got the dark lava version of the gun. It's pretty much just red, orangish. Looks really cool. This is actually the first video on YouTube of an Etek 3 in the color dark lava. So yeah. Alright, so that, you got your Planet Eclipse sticker. Put that on wherever. Got a nice colored manual. Shows you the board. All that cool stuff. Next you have your, I haven't even touched the gun oil yet. This is the first time I actually even moved the gun oil from where it was. Planet Eclipse gun oil. Put that back. Next you have your Allen keys. If I can get these out of there, I'll show you the Allen keys. You have your Allen keys. Little Planet Eclipse little case that came in. Pretty nice. You got your barrel sock. Planet Eclipse striped barrel sock, standard. Next you have your two-piece 14-inch barrel. You have a red front and a black back. And to put this on, it is reverse threaded, so you gotta twist the opposite way. Get it on. There you go, there's your 14-inch Etek 3 barrel, and just hook it up real quick, show you the whole entire gun together. There you have it. That is the Etek 3 LT. As you can see, LT, Etek 3. It's in dark lava. Shoot my computer. Boom, boom. Alright, but yeah, hopefully it doesn't take that much. Nice trigger. And on-off valve. Nice little twisty one. Yeah, it came with a battery. That's pretty nice. Let's see here. Turn on the battery.